Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make wheat noodles. Take 1 cup of wheat flour in a mixing bowl and add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of oil and a little salt. Mix well. Now add half a cup of water little by little and knead the dough. It should be in the consistency of chapati dough. Meanwhile, boil 5 cups of water in a pan over medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now grease an idiyappam maker with a little oil. Apply a little oil on your palm. Make small balls of the dough and fill the idiyappam maker. Close it with the lid. Now carefully squeeze it into the boiling water. Stir it after 1 minute. Cook it for 5 minutes over high flame. Now turn off the flame. Take it out carefully and dip it in plain water for 3 to 4 minutes. Drain the water and keep it aside. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a thick bottomed pan over high flame. Now add 1 cup of thinly sliced onion and a little salt. Saute this for some time. When the onion turns translucent, add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute this for some time and add 2 teaspoons of chilli flakes. Saute this for a few seconds and add 1 cup of julienned carrot and half a cup of julienned capsicum. Saute this for 1 minute and add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of green chilli sauce, 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Saute this for a few seconds and add the wheat noodles. Stir carefully and cook for 1 minute. Now it is ready, turn off the flame. Serve this hot with tomato sauce. Please try it out and post your feedback.